Good morning, students. I hope you all are well. So, in these days, our revision class is going on, and we have already revised chapter number 1, nouns, and chapter number 2, singular and plural. Today, we will revise countable and uncountable nouns. आज हम काउंटेबल एंड अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स को रिवाइज करेंगे. सो हैव यू रिमेंबर्ड व्हाट इज काउंटेबल नाउन? ओके, लेट्स आई विल रिकॉल यू. काउंटेबल नाउन्स, काउंटेबल नाउन्स दैट कैन बी काउंटेड यूजिंग नंबर्स. काउंटेबल नाउन्स वो होते हैं जिन्हें हम काउंट कर सकते हैं बाय यूजिंग द नंबर्स. So, countable nouns are nouns that can be counting by using numbers. For example, 1 cup, 2 cup, 3 cup, 1 boy, 2 boy, 3 boy, and etc. etc. They can be singular or plural. Countable noun always be in singular form or plural form. It means we can form the plural of countable noun. हम countable noun के plural form कर सकते हैं. For example, tree, trees, boy, boys, tree, trees, boy, boys. Okay, students, because we can count boy, tree, pen, pencil, etc. etc. So, countable noun always be in singular form or plural form. Now, next, uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns cannot be counted by using numbers. Uncountable noun वो nouns होते हैं जो हम नंबर में काउंट नहीं कर सकते, जिसे हम नंबर में काउंट नहीं कर सकते. They have only singular form. Uncountable noun always be in singular form. We cannot form its plural. Countable noun be in singular form and be in plural form. It means we make plural form of countable nouns, but we cannot make plural form of uncountable nouns. हम uncountable nouns के plural form नहीं बना सकते. For example, can you count water? No. So we cannot make its plural, waters. Can you count petrol? No. We cannot count petrol in numbers. So we cannot say petrols. We can take some other examples. Tea, sugar, salt, milk. We cannot count these countable nouns by using numbers. हम numbers के थ्रू या numbers में इन uncountable nouns को count नहीं कर सकते. But there is one condition. So what is the condition? We use some words to express its quantity. When we have to express quantity of uncountable noun, then we use words or any expressions. Once again, when we have to show quantity of uncountable nouns, then we use words or any expressions. What words we can use? For example, you cannot count water, but you can count a glass of water. Count. This is a glass of water. A glass of water. So a glass of water you can count? Yes or no? Yes, you can count a glass of water. We can also count 2 glass water, 3 glass of water. So we can use these words to show quantity of what? Waters. To show quantity of waters, we can use a glass of water, a jug of water, etc., etc. We can take some other example. Look students, this is salt. This is salt. Can you count salt? क्या आप salt को count कर सकते हो? Can you count salt? One salt, two salt, or can you make its plural? Salts? No. But if we say 1 teaspoon salt, if we say 1 teaspoon salt, then it express its quantity. So 1 teaspoon salt express the quantity of salt. Are you getting it, friends? So like this we can express quantity of uncountable noun. We can take some other examples. A glass of milk, a jug of milk, a glass of juice. Juice also we cannot count. 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 pinch salt, 1 pinch salt also. Bread. Bread is also uncountable noun. But if we say a loaf of bread, loaf एक slice होती है जो slice को देखा आपने, pieces कटे हुए होते हैं. So a slice of bread, or you can say a loaf of bread. So it's countable noun. Okay students, I hope you are getting my point. So once again we will recall it. Countable nouns that can be counted using numbers. Countable noun can be singular form or be in plural form. Uncountable nouns cannot be counted in numbers. They have only singular form. We cannot make plural form of uncountable nouns. But if we have to express quantity of uncountable nouns, then we use words or any expression. I have also given you example water and salt. I hope you must getting it. Goodbye. Have a nice day.